Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how we use OraiDEX's Universal Swap to make a quick and easy one-click transaction between Oraichain Mainnet and Ethereum. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is connect my MetaMask address. That's my 0x Ethereum and BNB address. As we can see down here on the left, all of my asset balances are visible. That's awesome. So the next thing I'm going to do is go over and connect my MetaMask Snap. If you guys need directions on how to install MetaMask Snap, I definitely recommend checking out that video that we made previously. It's very easy. It's going to allow you to manage your Oraichain balance directly through MetaMask without needing OWallet or Kepler. So I highly recommend checking that out and giving it a test drive. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make sure this is set up correctly, Orai on Oraichain Mainnet to Ethereum, and input this balance. And I'm going to note here that the relayer fee is 1 Orai. So make sure that you include enough to cover the relayer fee and account for that as you're making this transaction. And then, of course, you need to sign and approve that transaction in MetaMask. And once that's done, we're going to see very quickly that this transaction is approved. So transaction is successful. That's super awesome. If we want, we can view it on the Explorer. But for our purposes today, I think that we're good. We're just going to go ahead and wait a couple minutes, and we're going to see that this balance is now updated over in our MetaMask wallet. So on Ethereum, we can now see our Orai balance. And then down in the balance list, if we don't see that that balance has been updated right away, then what I'm going to go ahead and do is refresh this page and then scroll back down here, and we're going to see that that balance is now updated. So we can see our new Orai balance over here. We can see our adjusted Orai balance on mainnet. And that was it. In under 2 minutes, we've been able to very quickly connect MetaMask and do an easy swap.